Mrs. Handan and Mr. Fayroz, thank you so much. Şabeke Şagotam, hangi rolü oynarsam oynayayım, benim için en önemli şeylerden biri güvenilirliktir.
আমরা মানে বুরাক ভাই বলতেছে যে আমরা যেই রোলই করি না কেন আমার জন্য সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে প্রথমত এই সিকিউরিটি।
I think is very important for trust. So, Bali Bey, ondan sonra Kara Sevda, Çalı Kuşu ve Kuruluş Osman. Çok fazla karakter oynadım ama Osman'la birlikte ne kadar sevdiğinizi iyi biliyorum.
মানে আমি অনেক সিরিজগুলোতেই কাজ করেছি, ঠিক আছে। এই সেই সিরিজগুলোর মধ্যে আপনাদেরকে দেখছি যে ওসমান যে সিরিজটা, ওসমান কুরুলুশ, এই সিরিজটা আপনারা অনেক মানে জনপ্রিয় করে তুলেছেন আপনারা।
Oynadığım bütün rollerde en önemli şey güvenilirlik.
মানে যেই রোলই করুক না কেন সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে সিকিউরিটি পারপাস।
Her zaman duyduğum şey, bütün mesela daha önce Pakistan'a da gittim. Hindistan'da da çok sevildiğini biliyorum. Şu an Bangladeş'teyim. Çok sevildiğini hep duydum.
মানে বলতেছে যে আমি অনেক জায়গায় গেছি, পাকিস্তানে গেছি, ইন্ডিয়াতে গেছি, অনেক জায়গায় গেছি, কিন্তু বাংলাদেশের মতো এত পাকলা ভক্ত দেখিনি আমি।
Ama bence en önemli şey güvenilir olmak.
মানে আমার জন্য সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে, আবার বলতেছে, মানে সিকিউরিটি খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট।
Osman'a ne kadar güveniyorsanız, benim bugüne kadar oynadığım rollere ne kadar güveniyorsanız, benim bugün sizlerin karşısına gelmemdeki en büyük sebep ne kadar güvenilir bir firmayla sizlerle birlikte olmam.
মানে আপনারা যেই ইয়া করি না কেন, আমরা যেই মানে ব্র্যান্ডের সাথে আমরা কোলাবোরেশন করি না কেন, সবচেয়ে ইয়া হচ্ছে গিয়ে প্রথমত হচ্ছে গিয়ে বিশ্বস্ততা অর্জন করা।
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All people is here. Oh, it's very interesting for me. So when I went to Bangladesh, and then all people said the first one, Muhteşem Yüzyıl, Bali Bey. Is it true? Is it true? Yes. Thank you so much. You are very kind. But when I went, and then I understand I have a lot of crazy fans. Maybe you know, I sent to Instagram the message, and then a lot of videos. You know. Oh, it's incredible, incredible. Thank you so much. All people love the Turkish series. Is it true? Yeah, but I think is the Muhteşem Yüzyıl, Bali Bey, and the Osman, Kuruluş Osman is different. Is it true? Thank you so much. Merci. So, I want to say Turkish. So, I want to talk about a lot of situations. So, biz ilk başta